Ever wondered what really happens behind the pristine walls of your favorite hotels? From hidden fees to secret rooms, today, we're unveiling the shocking secrets the hotel industry doesn't want you to know. Stay tuned, because what you discover might just change the way you travel forever. Hi, I'm Sasha, and welcome back to our channel. Let's dive right into it. Did you know that the room you book isn't always the room you get? Hotels often overbook, hoping some guests won't show up. But what happens when everyone does? Let's just say it's a game of musical chairs, and not everyone gets a seat. Next up, those complimentary amenities. Not always so complimentary. From mini bars with sky-high prices to so-called free Wi-Fi that's slow and unusable unless you upgrade, these extras are designed to squeeze every penny out of you. And here's a little-known fact. Hotels often have secret maintenance schedules that prioritize high-profile guests. That means if you're not a VIP, you might end up in a room with a few issues that aren't top priority to fix. Ever heard of the term walk in the hotel industry? It's when they send you to another hotel because they're overbooked. And trust me, they won't always send you somewhere comparable. Imagine booking a luxury suite and ending up in a budget motel. But it's not all bad. Knowing these secrets can arm you with the knowledge to get the best out of your hotel stays. Always confirm your booking, ask for upgrades politely, and be aware of the hidden costs. Knowledge is power, after all. If you found these tips eye-opening, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insider secrets. What hotel mysteries intrigue you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. Your next vacation could be a game changer. Stay curious, stay savvy, and until next time, happy travels!